1964 Galaxie 500 XL. She's coming in hot. Well, you know how much I like buying burns. Will this make up for the last burn we bought? The 70 Nova that we got cooked on, lost our asses. We do know the insurance company paid out $89,000 on this car. So we're hoping there's something cool under the hood. Let's get her off the truck and take a peek. See if our gamble paid off. Ooh, looks like somebody's been drag racing. Got cow tracks on it.
Yep.
Okay, so we got the 64 Ford Galaxie 500 XL unloaded. Like I stated before, the insurance company paid out $89,000 on this car. And we're hoping this burn turns out better than the Nova we bought recently that we kind of lost our asses on. But overall, I've bought a lot of burns in the last several decades, and usually they turn out pretty good because most people don't want to bid on them. All they see is the burn. They don't see past what might be good. And so we're going to take a look and see what we got here. Okay, so we can see it's got a 4-speed. That's a big win. Got a console that's partially burned up, but it's still a rare piece. I think what's left is good, has some value. Bucket seats, they're tough to find. They are probably salvageable once all the foam is removed. We got clutch and brake pedals. Those are very hard to find. Those are quite desirable. Inside there isn't much else. Oh, well, except we do have a model of the car. Looks like it fared a little bit better in the fire than the car itself did. Maybe some Galaxie customer will stop by All American and they'll need that. Okay, so it's got brand new Mickey Thompson drag slicks on it. It's got Caltrac bars. It's got electric exhaust cutouts we saw underneath. Brand new exhaust, brand new fuel tank. And let's see what we got under the hood. This part we're really liking. It says 427. The numbers will tell us if it's a real 427 or not, or exactly what we've got. It's got a tri-power on it. That's very cool. Maybe the intake manifold survived. We got factory 427 cast iron headers here. That's a big win. Notice when we had it up in the air that it's got a scatter shield on it. Still dripping a little bit of fuel as we brought it over here, so more than likely it's probably a fuel issue that caused the fire. But I don't think those 427 valve covers made it. Anyhow, we'll get this in the shop and clean it up a little bit, see if we can get it to run. I see no reason why it wouldn't run. Maybe there's some valve springs that maybe got a little bit hot, but obviously the carburetors didn't do so well. But I bet it'll still run. Maybe somebody in the Portland, Vancouver area will recognize this car, and hopefully if you do recognize this car, maybe you will reach out to us, or the past owner will reach out to us, because we bought it in Portland. The tow company that towed it shows that it was towed by a Portland tow company. So let us know in the comments what you think of our latest burnt car. So we got thinking, let's look at the trim tag and see what it says about it. We checked it out. We were quite surprised. Z, this car was a factory 390 car. Axle, factory with a 350 ratio. Trans, factory 4-speed car. So this was a pretty rare car in its beginning. It wasn't a 427 car, but 394 speed Galaxie XL Tourer hardtop is a pretty rare car. This car is a very savable car. Once you look past the burnt front sheet metal, that's easy replacement. Roof's pretty badly warped, but you know, that's a pretty easy fix. Cut through the windshield posts, cut through the rear C-pillar is the easiest, and put another roof on it. Start putting it back together, put a dash in it, and the car can come around pretty quick if the guy knows what he's doing. So this car could be available if somebody wants to have serious interest in rebuilding it. Give Todd a call. We would certainly consider selling it as a whole. Crazy thing about this burnt Galaxie is that if you were watching a few months ago when we posted the burnt 70 Nova, we posted in on there what we paid for it, what the fees were, what towing was, and what we were finally in the car when it got here. And this car cost just about the identical figure of that Nova. Evidently today at the auction there weren't any knowledgeable Ford guys in the crowd, because we didn't think we were going to be able to buy this car, let alone buy it for what we did. So it was a good day at the auction. Some days are good at the auction, some days are really good at the auction. Today was a really good day at the auction. Stay tuned for more details in the next couple days.